Are you guys in a season where you feel like you're walking or are you sprinting? I know for me right now, I'm in a walking phase. So I'm walking, I'm taking more time, I'm showing my stories. I did some foot soaking as I'm getting work done, just kind of like cruising through everything. And so it's important to identify, am I in a season where I'm walking right now? Am I walking through the remaining of the year, or am I getting ready for a sprint? And if you know anything about walking and sprinting, which I'm sure you've done, I'm one to be sprinting on 2 occasions. I say, my coach is telling me like, Tanya, come on, start running. And I'm like, listen, you will see me sprint if I see a snake, okay? So no pranks on me, you guys, but I will sprint if I see a snake, okay? Or if for whatever reason somebody's chasing me, nobody's ever really chasing me, but those are probably the 2 occasions. Or if it starts pouring out, our Florida rain, and I'm getting out of the car to go somewhere and just get my hair done, I'll sprint. Like, those are the only occasions you will see me sprinting. Other than that, I like to glide. I'm rollerblading, I'm dancing, like, I'm training. But other than that, it's not sprinting. But if you understand sprint mode, you have to have endurance. You have to be rested in order to go full out and have the ability to maximize however quickly that you are capable of the speed at which you're capable of going. And it's the same thing in business. So the careers and businesses and anything in life, it really is not a marathon. It's sprints. It's increments of sprints when it's time to go, and time when you're like cruising. But cruising is preparation time. The cruising is the walking time is the time where you're pouring more into you, so that when it's time to sprint, just like a sprinter, I don't know if any of you guys have ran track before. Go ahead and like drop some hearts, drop some diamonds if you've ever run track, or if you know what I'm talking about. But sprinters, like, they're resting, they're prepped, they're like warmed up, they're ready. But when it's time to go, like, they go. And that's how it is in this line of entrepreneurship and business and the way that you're performing for human performance. And so if you have not mastered your cravings and your desires, it's really going to be something that's going to slow you down, and you're never going to reach your maximum potential. You're never going to fully go all out and give that full sprint that you want to give, whether it be in your business, in your relationships, in your body goals, whatever it is that you're trying to do. And when we are pouring into ourselves and kind of pulling back to scale forward, which I showed you guys in my stories this morning, I had to pour into me a little bit extra. My neck, my joints have been bothering me. I've been lifting pretty heavy and I've been sleeping weird. And so I've been sitting a lot. So I went to the chiropractor, got adjusted. The head compressions are gone. I feel so much better. I can now think my body isn't bothering me. When your body is in pain, it's going to be taking away some of your energy because you're in your body. And your body, you can't take a break from your body. So it's the same concept with our food and how it impacts our cognition, our mental sharpness, the ability for us to really be proficient and efficient in every single thing that we do in our life.